Hi everyone, I'm your Dr. Madhumita and you know me as Medico Madhu. Today I'm going to talk about the 10 medicinal plants or trees that we are supposed to have at our home. Betel leaf. Betel leaf has many medicinal properties. You can use it for your oral care. It has properties related to gastric ulcer as well. It protects your liver, it protects your heart. It also has anti-inflammatory property. It has antioxidant property. It can be used in certain infections as well. It is anti-infective. Aloe vera. Aloe vera can be consumed in any form. You can use it in any form. Aloe vera is very good for your skin. It is used in treating insect bites. It can be used for eczema. It can be used for skin rashes as well. It helps in protecting your heart. It also helps in maintaining a euglycemic state, that is in keeping your sugar in normal level. It also takes care of gastric issues. It is protective in the sense it has antioxidant properties, it has anti-infective properties, it has anti-inflammatory properties, whatnot. Aloe vera grows easily anywhere. Kindly use it. Fenugreek, Vendaya, Methi or Vendaya. Fenugreek helps in lowering your cholesterol, thereby taking care of your heart. It also helps in kidney injuries. It helps with our GI system because of the fiber content. It helps in lactating mothers to produce more milk. Apart from this, you can use it as a skincare product. It has anti-inflammatory property, it has antioxidant property, it has anti-infective property, that is antimicrobial property as well. It is very useful for all of us. Tulasi. Tulasi has many medicinal properties. It helps in controlling your diabetes. It helps in lowering your blood pressure. It also lowers your cholesterol. Thereby, it is going to protect your heart. It helps in digestion. It not only adds flavor to your food but also to your mood. Yes, it helps in psychological issues as well. When you are depressed, when you have mood swings, definitely go and sit near a Tulasi Mada. It helps you a lot. Neem. Neem has multiple health benefits. Well, as we all know, it can be used as an antiviral, antibacterial, it can be used as an antifungal and antiparasitic as well. You can use it as a skincare product. It helps in treating your skin infection, oral infection, dental care you can use it, and also it helps in relieving pain and fever. Hibiscus. Hibiscus has multiple medicinal property. It is an antioxidant. It is anti-inflammatory. It can be used in treating fever, that is antipyretic. It helps in taking care of your diabetes, that is anti-diabetic. It helps in improving your immunity. It acts as an antibacterial. It also helps in tussalfase, that is when you have too much of cough. You all must be knowing about hibiscus tea. Please drink it, and you can also grow it at home and use it wisely. Cuban oregano. Cuban oregano helps in treating your insomnia, that is sleep disturbance if at all you have one. It takes care of headaches. Many people have headaches because of lack of sleep, because of stress. This definitely helps in treating it. If you're someone who has been having a lot of respiratory problems, on and off having cold, cough, or you have sinusitis, asthma, or breathing difficulty, definitely this helps. When you take the GI system, that is gastrointestinal system, it helps with acidity, it helps in lowering the reflux that you have, it also helps in maintaining the good flora in your GI system. It also helps you with your immunity. Turmeric has many medicinal properties. It helps with your skin. It helps in taking care of the allergies if you have any. It helps with your respiratory system. Let's say you have breathing issues, cold, cough, it is going to take care of it. Related to your GI system, that is gastrointestinal system, it helps with your digestion. If you're someone who has been having knee joint pain or any joint pain for a long time, definitely this is going to help you. If you're a feeding mother, definitely this will help you. It has anti-cancerous properties, it has antioxidant property, it has anti-inflammatory property, and it can also be an antiseptic, that is antimicrobial. So use turmeric wisely. Curry leaves. Curry leaves has many health benefits. It can help in lowering your blood sugar levels, thereby acting as an anti-hyperglycemic agent. It has good immune capacity, thereby acting as an antimicrobial. It also decreases the risk of any cardiovascular diseases that is related to your heart. It helps in reducing the stroke, that is paralysis risk. It is anti-cancerous as well. Use curry leaves in your daily meal as much as you can. Pudina or mint. Pudina or mint helps with your headache, or if you have an anxiety or mood related issues, definitely it takes care of it. Coming to your skin, any rashes, it will be helpful. If you have an insect bite, it is going to help you. In case of your oral cavity, it helps as a good pleasant smelling agent, or even for your dental caries, gingivitis, it helps a lot. In your respiratory system, it is going to take care of your breathing issues. If you have too much of phlegm, it will take care of it. It benefits your cardiovascular health as well. In GI system, not just acidity, even if you're someone who has motion sickness, it is going to help you a lot. In your joints, definitely it reduces the redness and pain that you experience. It also helps with your kidney health and your sexual health. Definitely plant these 10 plants as much as possible in your house and reap maximum benefit out of them. I'll meet you all with many more interesting videos. See you till then.